You never want to die with a song in your head that you never wrote, you never recorded, you never shared it with the world. I write books and I spend time documenting my ideas and concepts and stories, because when you pass 50, you start to deal a little bit with your own mortality, and you start to think about, man, what if I did leave this earth and I left something unsaid, or I didn't get these ideas put into written form? They will die with me. I've mentored people, I've coached people, I've done consulting, built sales organizations and businesses. I've touched a lot of people's lives.
History will record that this man was the patriarch of soft washing.
I couldn't do it without SoftWash Systems. I really couldn't.
And it was just kind of like an act of God that AC just happened to come back into my life.
Little by little, we're cleaning up America in our own small way. That makes us feel proud.
Humble beginnings. Humble beginnings, man. It's been a good 30 years. Going from a little $83,000 a year company
Yes.
to a $3 million company, and then opening up the 3 branches and going to $4.8 million a year. And now the network does almost $100 million a year. Just using those 5 keys to pattern success. And we've had a lot of help along the way, a lot of people in our lives, a lot of mentorship. All of that would be for nothing if we didn't execute, if we didn't look at it and analyze it, make sure that we replicated the good stuff, not the bad stuff, and then put a good system behind it. I mean, we honored a lot of people over the years.
Wow.
It blessed so many people's lives. So what's next?
I don't know. Only God knows that.